Hello everyone. So this is a new beginning. So I wish that you all have a very happy and a healthy new year. So today I'm going to say something about tea. Now we all know that tea is the most popular beverage around the world and it has been used like for centuries. Now I'm going to say specifically about green tea. Now green tea, it has been recently discovered that it has many nutritional and functional values which helps our body. So it has antioxidant properties. So these properties helps our body to regain strength and also help fight stress, and it's a kind of like stress tolerant thing. But recently it has been discovered that it has many nutritional and functional properties which helps our body. Now this tea, specifically the green tea, has many antioxidant properties and it has a compound called catechin. You may ask that what is this antioxidant? So antioxidant is a compound that helps fight the reactive oxygen species that damages the cell. So now if there is a imbalance between this antioxidant and this reactive oxygen species, it will lead to oxidative stress and leading to your cellular damage, and it's a very dangerous thing for our health. And also these antioxidants help us in reducing aging, and also it also helps us in your reducing fat and all. Now these are the benefits of this antioxidant nutrient. So now let me introduce to catechin. So now this catechin, it's a miracle compound and also it's a part of the antioxidant. So now what it does, it helps in recovery of the bone. And how does it work? So it works very simply. It reduces the cells from reabsorbing the minerals and calcium from the bones. Now it also helps in our eye recovery by reducing the oxidative damage, which helps in the recovery of the eye. Another important compound are the tannins. Now tannins present in tea helps by fighting cavities and diarrhea, and also prevents cancer and preventing heart diseases, which is good. Another thing it does is it removes your harmful microbes and also fights harmful bacteria from our body. It also speeds the healing process or the blood clotting process of the body. So tannins is also a very important compound in this tea, and everything you can all see, like everything is found in tea, and it's a very healthy thing. It's a very healthy beverage, if I would say. Also there is also another important compound, that is the flavonoids. Now flavonoids, it prevents the metabolic risk, that is it helps in treating your diabetes, then type 2 diabetes, and I would say coronary diseases and many other forms of metabolic diseases. And this green tea also contains some essential amino acids. Now the consumption of green tea on regular basis can reduce your weight, mainly by decreasing your body fat, and also increase the iron consumption level of your body. And now coming to the sad part, like this breast cancer, it's a leading cause of death after lung cancer. But you will be happy to know that recent research has shown that this green tea has cancer preventive agents, and in green tea there is a particular compound called the epigallocathain, which EGCG, which helps in reducing the cancer cells without affecting the normal cells of our body. Green tea also contains trace amounts of lipids, sterols, vitamins and anti-mutagenic and anti-carcinogenic agents, which helps preventing cancer from environmental agents. So finally, I would like to conclude that consumption of your green tea with our regular diet will decrease the damage of your body, and it will increase your health.